Hey gang, welcome in. Another CalTopo, StarTopo app video today. I'm going to show you a feature that was missing on StarTopo that kept me from recommending the app for hiking, hunting, and all that kind of stuff 100%. They came out with an update and added that feature. It's a feature I call North Up versus TrackUp. We'll take a look at it and explain it. I'm going to open up CalTopo. When it opens up, we're going to be referring to the two icons down in the bottom right. This is what you typically see. The red dot that you're seeing there is a tree that we're going to be using as an anchor to show you how map up versus track up works. I think they use the terminology lock screen and moving map, but you'll see how it works. If I want to find myself in CalTopo, all I have to do is hit that bottom left icon, hit it one time, it'll turn blue, and it puts my location icon on the map. Now that will work anytime. I can hold that and take it off. If I have the map scrolled way over somewhere, not even on it, if I tap it one time, it'll bring me, center my position, and bring the map into view on my position. Let me zoom in. You can see the tree that I have marked, and I put a orange marker ribbon around it. That is the tree that is marked on my map here. I'm trying to do this so that we can see and not get my hands in the way, so I apologize. But so if I wanted to travel to the tree and my phone is pointing to it, you can see the arrow in my location that is now pointing toward the tree. So if I wanted to go to that tree, all I do would be walk in this direction. The direction that my phone is pointing, I'd walk straight, looking down at my map every now and then, make sure that arrow is pointed toward the tree, and I'd run into that tree. To me, this is confusing because I have the arrow pointing off to my left, basically, but I'm walking straight in that direction. So if I hit, and you can see the icon down in the bottom right has turned to an anchor that locks the screen. They refer to it as that, lock screen, locking the map. If I hit it one time, you can see how the map turned, and now that tree is directly in line with the front of my phone. So now, if I want to walk to that tree, I can walk straight the way my phone is pointing, and when I look at the screen, the direction arrow, the location icon is pointing directly in line with the way I'm walking. I'm going to go back to the lock screen and you'll see it jerk and move. And now we'll go back. The other thing that you can notice here real quick is in the top right, you'll see a compass up there showing that north is off to my right somewhat. So let's see how accurate that is. I have my compass. I'm going to try to do this and stay there. Yes, so north is pointing that direction. And if I go back to CalTopo, north is pointing in that direction. The other thing that you'll notice up in the top right is wherever I move, it will give me the angle or the azimuth, the direction of travel, however you want to call it, that I'm pointing in. So if I have a point, let's say there's a point way out there that I can't see through the woods, On my map, I can point to it. I can get my direction of travel, my angle, lock that into my compass, and take off walking. So this is referred to as TrackUp. So any way that I turn my phone, the map turns with me. It keeps my track up top. If I lock it, some people refer to this as north up, and it's not necessarily north up because north is back that way. North is not at the front of the screen, but that's somewhat of a general term. CalTopo says lock, map screen lock. And now as I turn, you will see that the map does not turn. Track up, north up, lock screen, moving map, however you want to call it. This is a great feature to have. Again, if I want moving map, I make sure that my compass is in the icon, and you'll notice the compass in the top right corner, and I just point my location pointer at whatever I want to travel to and just walk in that direction. Hope this helped. Got any questions, comments? Send them my way. Thanks.